Welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Friday Samuel, and in this channel, I post make money online tips and strategies that will help you make a lot of money from the internet. Now, please, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, I would love you to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.
In today's video, I'll be taking you through how to get free Ton to perform Ton transaction or to serve as gas fee. Now, this update is for airdrop and crypto miners who in one level or state of mining or farming airdrops are asked to perform Ton transaction or to use Ton as gas fee. In today's video, I'll be revealing to you a secret website or a secret update that is going to give you free ton that you can use anytime you want to perform a ton transaction or a gas fee. But please, I want you to download this app right now, the Tonkeeper app, and also your Telegram app. Go to your Play Store, your Apple Store, and download the Tonkeeper app or the Tonkeeper app and your Telegram app. Now, as you can see, this is my Tonkeeper account, and you can see it reads $100 approximately. Now, if you check the worth of ton here of this $100, it's approximately 18 ton. And now to create an account on Tonkeeper, to create this account, this kind of account, you hit after creating an account, you hit on the drop down here, and you can see all the wallets I have. Click on add wallet. Now scroll down, you see the new wallet, existing wallet, pair signals, pair with keystone, pair with ledger, watch account, testnet account. Now this is what you are going to be creating, a testnet account. Now all you have to do now is enter the recovery phrase of which you were given when you created your Tonkeeper account. You would have written down somewhere or pasted it in your note. Just go there and copy it and paste it right here. After that, you are going to get an account just like this one, a testnet account. Know that this Telegram bot is only going to work if it is a testnet account. Like it's showing this green stuff here that is written testnet, right? Now I'm going to show you the amount of ton I've received since I was using this Telegram bot. Um, coming, sorry. Okay, yes. This is, as you can see, today at exactly 9:13 a.m. I received 2 ton from this Telegram bot. Yesterday at 8:25 p.m. I received 2 ton. As you can see, in October I received various ton just because I used it to perform ton transaction on one of the airdrop sites that I was working on that time. Now I'm going to show you how to get this much worth of ton. As you can see, I have 18 worth of ton that is over $100. I'm going to show you how to be getting this worth of ton if you stick with me to the end. Remember, I told you to download the Telegram app. That's what we are going to be using to get this huge amount of ton to help us in gas fee situation. Telegram account, right? This is my Telegram account. After logging into your Telegram account, you want to hit on the search here, and you're going to search for test test giver test giver ton bot, right? Test giver ton bot. As you can see, I already use this bot, so I'm going to click on it and I'm gonna allow to load. Now this is the bot, and as you can see, I've performed many ton transactions with this bot. Now what this bot initially does it gives you free ton to use in order to perform ton transaction or to use as gas fee in any airdrop mining you are doing. Now if you are a new user, you have to click on the menu icon right here, and it's gonna show two drop down this thing. You can see the bot menu and get ton in testnet. Now the testnet accounts you created in our Tonkeeper, that's where I'm going to click now, get ton in testnet. Now you are allowed to load. Now they are going to give you a captcha to solve after getting. Now I'm going to open this image so that I'm going to get it right. 653A F. I'm not seeing this well. Okay, let me just write 653A. Remember, it's a capital letter A. 3F. I think that is FF. Double F. Okay, let me see whether it's gonna work. Okay, yes, I was correct. It was 653 FF. Now we are asked to copy our testnet ton wallet address. Now I'm going to head back to my testnet account, and I'm gonna click on receive here, right? Then I'll copy my testnet wallet address, and I'm going to paste it right here. And send. So after that, you can see this is my address, and they are gonna give me 2 ton. And as you can see, request added to the queue for execution. Please wait. Now this bot is so fast that immediately you request for your ton, you are going to receive it in your testnet ton. Well, now I'm going to head back to my ton to see whether we have actually received this ton, right? So I'm gonna refresh. I'm going to refresh, and I'm gonna click on receive, right? I'm going to refresh this. I'm going to refresh this. Okay, I'm going to refresh this. Okay, now you can see that our turn has been received. You can see the time exactly. This is 10:31 a.m. and our turn has been received in our test net balance. Now I'm going to check. You can see before it was 17.9 worth of ton. Now it's 19.9 worth of ton, approximately 20 ton. And you can see my balance here. That is increased from $100 to $113. Now this is a simple method on how you can perform ton transaction to use as gas fee or to perform any airdrop transaction of any crypto or airdrop mining you are currently doing. Now, if you got value from this, please help me hit the subscribe button, like this video, and most importantly, lay out your best